This is an update to the West Central Texas weather briefing. This briefing is being updated as of noon today. Unfortunately, we have a continued risk for some flooding across the area as additional showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon into this evening. The main points, or key points, we do have a marginal to moderate risk for excessive rainfall again this afternoon and evening across much of the area. The greatest concern will be in the moderate risk area, generally east of a Brownwood-Menard to Junction line, and we'll show you that graphic in just a moment. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will bring additional heavy rainfall potential this afternoon and evening, and along with that comes additional flooding potential. Right now we're looking at rainfall totals between 1 and 2 inches expected, with some areas seeing maybe 3 to 4 inches of additional rainfall, especially in the moderate risk area. Additional rainfall on top of already flooded areas that occurred this morning will enhance the flooding potential in those areas. And this is the updated graphic for the excessive rainfall for today. You can see we have a moderate risk for excessive rainfall, generally east of a Brownwood-Menard to Junction line. A larger slight risk area that encompasses Abilene, San Angelo, and south to around Sonora. And then a slight risk area, and then a marginal risk area surrounding the slight risk area farther to the north and west. Again, scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected this afternoon. Not everyone will see rain, but we do expect heavy rainfall potential. The air mass remains very moist, so any rainfall that does occur will likely be come in heavy downpours. And that heavy rainfall will increase the risk for flooding, especially in the moderate risk area. This is our current flood watch that we have in effect through 7 p.m. this evening. This flood watch, depending on how things unfold this afternoon, the flood watch may need to be extended into the overnight hours. But right now, the flood watch is in effect until 7 p.m., generally south of Interstate 20. And the rain totals, again, 1 to 2 inches are expected, with higher amounts 3 to 4 inches possible, especially east of a Brownwood-Menard to Junction line. And we'll take a look at some of the river warnings that we have in effect right now. This is the San Saba River near Brady. As of 11 a.m., the current level was 28.19 feet, and the river is forecast to climb to 29.7 feet. Which is in the major flood stage. That should climb to that early this afternoon. And major flood impacts include moderate lowland flooding, picnic area at rest stop on U.S. Highway 87 will be inundated. The next river to look at, the river flood warning for the San Saba River at San Saba. Current level is at 20.62 feet as of 10 a.m., and it's forecast to go to 32.4 feet, again, major flood stage, and that should reach that major flood stage by 7 a.m. Saturday morning. And major flooding will occur along roads and low water crossings that will be inundated. And the next river flood warning was the Concho River at Paint Rock. The current stage is at 27.74 feet as of 11 a.m. It does show a slight dip, but we are expecting that to come back up as additional water flows into the area. A few structures near the banks of the river in Paint Rock will be threatened. Low water crossings and secondary roads will be flooded. And then the Colorado River near San Saba, currently at 2.59 feet as of 10:35 a.m., and it's also forecast to go to moderate flood stage of 33.7 feet by 1 a.m. Sunday. Minor lowland flooding will occur, and secondary roads and low water crossings will be flooded. And this concludes the update. Again, we want people to pay attention this afternoon. It is the 4th of July, and I know there's a lot of functions ongoing throughout the day. Festivities, possibly. Please pay attention to the weather as this flooding threat potentially unfolds later this afternoon and evening.